Discover how to make a whopping $315 in just one day using a special method. It's your ticket to boosting your income and achieving financial success like never before. Number 1. Boost sales efficiency with AI. Sales operations often involve repetitive tasks such as lead management, sales tracking, and performance analysis, diverting valuable time from salespeople. Luckily, AI sales tools like Gong, Seamless.ai, or SendSpark come to the rescue, automating these tasks and providing insights to enhance sales strategies. You can earn $315 in just one day using this premium method. Many businesses, however, remain unaware of these opportunities, and others struggle with the learning curve of implementing AI tools. But here's where you step in. By mastering AI sales platforms, you can consult companies on leveraging this technology and even offer implementation services to boost their sales operations. Number 2. The world of AI-generated art. Traditional artists put immense time and effort into their creations, from concept to sales. But the game is changing with AI art. AI design tools now make it a breeze for anyone to craft breathtaking AI art in minutes. These AI art generators aren't just time savers, they let you perfect your art. However, creating AI art people want to buy is no easy feat. Yet, with determination and discovering your niche, you can swiftly start selling AI-generated art. Here's a top tip. Pair your AI art with a print-on-demand service for your online store or platforms like Etsy. It's a savvy way to boost profits, far better than just selling image files. And here's an exciting extra. You can make $315 in just one day using this premium method. Number 3. Simplify your indie product development journey with AI code assistance. Creating a tech product is no cakewalk. It involves a long process from idea to launch. But here's the game changer. AI code assistants like Copilot. They're your coding buddies, offering real-time suggestions, automating repetitive tasks, and aiding in debugging. This means you can speed up your product development, reduce errors, and get to market sooner. Take inspiration from indie developer Louis Pereira, who hit app stardom with AudioPen, an audio note-taking app. There's a growing demand for unique tech products, making product development a promising opportunity. If you're a developer or aspiring to be one, AI code assistants can boost your productivity and help you bring your creation to the world faster. With a dash of AI and determination, the possibilities are endless. Plus, you can make $315 in just one day using this premium method. Number 4. Unlocking freelance success in digital marketing. Digital marketing is a multifaceted field demanding a deep grasp of various platforms, channels, and strategies. It can be intricate to master how these pieces fit together. Here's where AI marketing tools step in, automating tasks and aiding in campaign creation, result analysis, and strategy enhancement through predictive analytics. You can make $315 in just one day using this premium method. Businesses crave effective audience reach and increased sales. Many small business owners know they need assistance but lack the time for skill acquisition. Number 5. Unlock your earnings with AI-powered content creation. Content production is the beating heart of the world of digital marketing. Usually, it takes a lot of time and creative energy to come up with ideas to release them. Depending on the complexity, it can take weeks. AI content writers like Jasper AI and WriteSonic can handle it all, from blogs to reports. This opens exciting doors for content creators and digital marketers. Fresh, engaging content is what businesses crave to rise in search rankings, engage their audience, and establish authority. Copywriting and content writing can bring quick earnings, provided you keep improving, use AI wisely, and are easy to collaborate with. With this premium method, you can even make $315 in just one day. Number 6. Effortless photo editing with AI. Professional photo editing is a time-consuming task, demanding precision and expertise in editing tools. It involves enhancing colors, adjusting lighting, and removing imperfections. But here's the exciting part. You can earn $315 in just one day using this premium method. AI photo enhancers like Topaz Photo AI, Photoshop Generative Fill, or Luminar come to the rescue, automating these processes. They enhance colors, adjust lighting, and even remove unwanted elements swiftly, allowing you to edit more photos in less time without sacrificing quality. Bulk editing is a breeze too, enabling you to apply a specific style to hundreds of images with ease. The demand for professional photo editing is on the rise, making it a profitable opportunity for photographers and graphic designers. With AI photo enhancers, you can boost productivity and take on more clients, even if you're just starting. Number 7. Revolutionize customer service with AI chatbots. Handling customer inquiries can be a real-time sync for businesses, but there's a game-changing solution. AI chatbots are here to save the day. They are available around the clock so that you can get answers right away. This frees up your team to work on more complicated jobs. AI robots can help you answer frequently asked questions, guide users, and even increase sales. And guess what? You can make $315 in just one day using this premium method. If you're a budding developer or open to learning conversational AI tech, consider offering AI chatbot configuration services. You'll set up website integration, compile knowledge bases, and train chatbots for businesses. Once it's all set, deploy it to make your clients happy. Check out Chatbase and Botsonic for top-notch AI chatbot creation tools. Number 8. Master social media video editing. Effortlessly crafting captivating social media videos is crucial for businesses and influencers. But let's face it, video editing can be overwhelming. From trimming footage to adding effects and audio syncing, it's a complex task. In the past, pros were often hired for this job. However, AI video editing tools have changed the game. They analyze your footage, pick the best parts, and enhance your videos with effects and transitions. High-quality social media content in no time. Here's a bonus. You can make $315 in just one day using this premium method. If you're new to video editing, consider using AI tools like FlexClip. Which of these exciting opportunities in the world of AI-driven earnings caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.